Hi, I'm Alan. I'm one of the co-founders of Unbanx, and in this video I just want to explain what Unbanx is and how it works. So at Unbanx, the fundamental idea is that a consumer should be able to benefit from the value of the data created by or about them. And when we talk about data at Unbanx, we specifically mean consumer spending data. So that's the data that if you go tap your card, buy a coffee, data is created about that transaction. And it looks something like this. This is me topping up my travel card for €10, and you can see the fields, timestamp, value, currency, etc. So within the Unbanx platform, let's say that you buy a coffee, as I was mentioning. So you go to a shop, tap your card and buy a coffee. That data created about the transaction will end up at your bank. In reality, what's actually happening, there's a few companies along the way that will also have your data. This could be the POS system of the shop, the shop's accounting system, if you're using like a digital wallet like Google Wallet, and also the card that you use, so the card company, the data of the transaction will most likely end up there as well. So this use of data is considered first party data at this point. And it's perfectly acceptable and normal for these companies to have this. They need it for their products to work, essentially. The problem is what happens to this data if it leaves their platforms. So what happens at the moment with a lot of financial institutions and banks is that the data that they collect on their consumers' transactions is anonymized and packaged into data products and sold to buyers. So there's companies out there who buy insights on consumer spending and buy the raw data as well. So a bank will create a data product and sell this. The issue here is that obviously they're selling a product, so they'll get payment in return. And this is what we disagree with. We don't think it should be like this because a payment will stop here at the bank. It won't find its way back to you. At Unbanx, this is what we're trying to fix. So if we take Unbanx down here, with our platform, we've made it very easy for you to essentially consent to giving your data from the bank to Unbanx. So within our app, via open banking, you can say to your bank, hey, I want Unbanx to have my data. And what we do is we essentially create the same data products and sell it to the same buyers. But in our platform, when we get paid, so do you. We get paid through our app. And this is what Unbanx is all about. So you consent to giving your data to Unbanx, we'll anonymize it, package up the data, sell the products, and give you back your fair share, essentially. That's the benefit for the consumer, which is you. The benefit for the data buyers of this is that everything that's happening up here is all first-party data. It's collected because you're using a product, sold. Everything down here is considered zero-party data. This is data that you, the consumer, has proactively shared and consented with us, or with anybody for zero-party data. And then the flow of consent and the flow of value is very clear for everybody to see. So that at a very high level is what Unbanx does. Thank you for watching. The Unbanx app is out. iOS and Android are out in the UK and Ireland right now. So you can go download it, you can link your bank accounts, and you can start earning from your spending data today. Thank you very much.